Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and replace the battery on this Kia Sorento. This is a 2020, by the way. So guys, I think they changed the model at 2021, so I don't know what's inside of the 2021 look like, but this is 2020, so we're gonna go ahead and replace the battery. But before we replace the battery, I'm going to show you how to jump your car, or how you're gonna start your car or get into your car if your battery dead. All right, so guys, you have your key, press the key, nothing happened. You got to come here, open your door, get in the car like that, reach under here, pull that right there. Once you pull that, it's gonna come, the hood or the bonnet gonna open, depends from where you're from. And you want to feel underneath here for this right here and lift it all the way up. So this is what you want to feel for. This is a safety latch in case you close your hood and it didn't close properly. The wind doesn't bring the hood in the windshield. So right here, when you pull this like this is what it do. So if you want to jump your car or give somebody a jump, you want to squeeze this right here. I'm gonna have your positive cable right here, and it should go on the positive on the other side, or the power source. Put your negative cable right here, and you can go ahead and jump the car like that. Go ahead and crank the car up. So that's out the way. We're gonna go ahead and replace the battery right now. So guys, we have a clip puller right here. A link will be in the description for the tools as well. You can go there, lift that up, come right here, take that up. So on the clip, you're gonna see you have some gap where you can go in. So once you push it in the gap, it will come up, you can take it out. So you want to remove this shroud or cold air intake to get down to the battery. So they always say take the negative cable off. In fact, it doesn't matter which cable you take off, but it might be the best thing to take the negative cable off in case you are a sloppy worker. You don't want to short out your car by touching, even though everything around here is plastic. So even if you touch something here with a positive, it won't be a big problem. But go ahead and take this off first. 10 millimeter. So 10 millimeter. Remove the negative cable. Remove the positive cable. You want to get your 12 millimeter with an extension to get this one down here. Take it out some more. And this battery look like a 94. So guys, this is the battery. Try to get a thumbnail right there. So the battery it uses is a 94 battery, so we're gonna go ahead and install it. And after that, we're gonna put the battery holder in. Make sure, just make sure make sure the cables reach, so the battery is not too much to one side. But once you put it in, it should be good though. And then we're gonna go ahead and tighten it up. So that's tightened. We're gonna go ahead and put on your, so put on your positive cable first. It'll be 10 millimeter. And then you can go ahead and put on our negative cable, which is also 10 millimeter. We'll go ahead and put in our air filter, not air filter, but intake tube or collier tube or whatever they call it. Alright, so once that's done, sorry about that, but I can't stop it, so you guys are gonna see that, because you always say start the cars after I finish, but now I can't find the key. So yeah guys, even if you change your battery and just go ahead and start the car, nothing's not gonna wrong. I would like to do a continuous shot, but I can't find the key, so I have to wait on that one. Okay guys, so we find the key right here. We're gonna go ahead and start the car up. So you're not gonna lose any memory of the car, any programming of the car. Only thing you're gonna have to do is set the time, and the time seems to be correct also, so I didn't even set the time guys. It's a few minutes off, but as you see, the time worked. There's no light on the dash as check engine light or anything, so that's good. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.